going to get a deeper understanding of diseases of the brain. It's going to enable things like allowing paralyzed patients to move again or to control a robotic limb. It's going to allow blind people to see again.
It's one of 2 centers in the world that's actually implanting these in humans right now. The Utah electrode array, which is one of the only devices of its kind, was designed here by a professor, Dr. Richard Norman. Have you had any seizures today? Our patient here underwent surgery for epileptic foci localization. In addition to that, we implanted one of our Utah electrode arrays while that surgery was going on. And so while she's undergoing this monitoring to figure out the clinical location of our epilepsy, we're also able to take these brand new recordings. It gives us a chance to look at microscale cortical activity, smaller signals than have been previously recorded in awake human patients. We can see what's going on at the level of the individual neurons, which you can see firing here. And that tells us new things about epilepsy that we otherwise couldn't get.
We've had a number of students involved with this project, and they've each designed pieces of this chip. One student designed the circuit that you see here that is actually a low-power radio transmitter that sends the information detected by the chip from the electrodes out of the body, so we don't have to have any connections or wires going through the skin.
This is a transmit coil, amplifying, digitizing, and transmitting the wireless signals out of the human patient.
At Utah, we have a large group of researchers that work very well together and very closely, and have a wide range of skills spanning everything from medicine and surgery to electrical engineering to bioengineering. And that's really what's needed to undertake a project of this size and scope, is a very multidisciplinary team working together.
I get to be in the OR, I get to be in the intensive care unit, I get to integrate into all parts of the hospital, and people in the hospital treat me as one of their own, which is awesome coming from a research perspective.
It's one of the unique places where you can get exposure to all of those different disciplines, all those different skills, all in your one course of study. We attract top students from around the nation and around the world, so we really have an exciting and really vibrant student community here.
I would wholeheartedly recommend the University of Utah to any student. The research here is exciting, it's brand new, it's a great atmosphere here. I'm working with people from all different types of research. All the departments come together for one goal, which is to help people.